There's one time we were heading to the airport on a family holiday and we had an urgent quote request come in. I was able to log into the maX app, provide 3 different options for a new hot water service, and we could flick the quote across to the client within minutes. So my name's Rowan, I'm the owner of Melbourne Plumbing Gas. The biggest benefit of using the maX app on site is that it cuts our administration works by half. So the guys all have the app on their phones. You know, they can go to a job, they can get material costings or even order specialised materials from the app. We used to have a fax template that we used to fax off to the branch. By doing that, of course, we would lose the paper trail and it would just get lost. The business runs smoother, you know, less work in the office, you know, we can spend more time doing productive tasks. Just give it a go. You will wonder how you ever operated without it.